everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add or change payment method on Kickwho. So let's get it in the video. So on Kickwho, so once you're on Kickwho and if you have an account, log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so if you want to add a payment, so you can simply do so when you make a purchase. So for example, just browse through the site and then choose an item that you wish to purchase. So just choose once, and then once you've chosen it, so for example here, so once you've chosen an item, so add it to your cart. So for example here, let me open this up. So what you're going to do, click on add to cart and then go to your cart. So when you get to your cart here, so what are you going to do, so when you open up your cart here, so that's the item that you're going to purchase, and then click on purchase to checkout. When you get to purchase to checkout here, what are you going to do, you're going to fill in all your billing details and other details here on your left side, and then on your right side here you're going to choose your payment method. How do you want to make the payment? I have the option of credit card and PayPal, so you just choose either one of these. So if you add one of these payment method, just choose it, and then what will happen is you will receive a payment link within 24 hours, and then from there you can make the payment. So in that way you will be able to select or add your payment your payment method with Kickwho. And if you need to change your payment method for whatever reason, then it's best to contact Kickwho. So if you click on the chat option here, so you can easily chat with them, so or you can easily WhatsApp. There's a WhatsApp number here, you can WhatsApp the customer support, and then you can get them to change your payment method in regards to your order. So that's the best way that you can do to change your payment methods in case required. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful.